Hello everybody. Today in this video we are going to study about World War First under part 1, and in the second part we are going to discuss about World War Second. Akkam jirtu barattoota. Nagaa keessanii barattoota. Har'a viidiyoo kana keessatti dhimma baay'ee barbaachisaa fi qormaata keessaniidhaaf murteessaa ta'e waa'ee waraana addunyaa tokkoffaa kutaa tokkoffaa viidiyoo kanaa keessatti kan ilaallu yoo ta'u, waa'ee waraana addunyaa lammaffaa immoo kutaa lammaffaa viidiyoo kanaa keessatti waliin baranna. Barattoota, GO Lesson 17 TUB miidiyaa guddatuu akka ta'uudhaaf gahee isinirraa eegamu akka bahattan dhaamsa keenya yeroo hundumaati. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? በዚህ ቪዲዮ ዛሬ ሁለት ርዕሰ ጉዳዮችን የምንማማር ሲሆን በአንደኛው ክፍል የዚህ ቪዲዮ የምንማረው ስለ ዓለም አንደኛው ጦርነት ነው። ሁለተኛው ክፍል በዚህ ቪዲዮ ውስጥ ስለ ሁለተኛው የዓለም ጦርነት ዲስኬስ እናደርጋለን። ይህ ቪዲዮ ቫይራል እንዲወጣ ሼር፣ ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ እና ኮመንት ማድረግን አትዘናጉ። First World War. Question number 1. What was one of the fundamental cause of World War First? kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa sababa bu'uuraa waraana addunyaa tokkoffaa kan ta'e kami? ከዚህ በታች ከቀረቡት ለአንደኛው የዓለም ጦርነት ምክንያታዊ መነሻ የሚሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Religious differences. B. Technological failure. C. Imperialist rivalries among European powers. D. Peace treaties. Question number 2. Which countries formed the Triple Alliance? Biyyoonni Triple Alliance uuman kanneen armaan gadii keessaa kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ትሪፕል አሊያንስን የፈጠሩ አገሮች የትኞቹ ናቸው? ኤ. ጀርመኒ፣ ኢታሊ፣ አውስትሪያ ሃንጋሪ። ቢ. ብሪቴን፣ ራሽያ፣ ፍራንስ። ሲ. USA፣ ጀርመኒ፣ ራሽያ። ዲ. ቤልጂየም፣ ኢታሊ፣ ፍራንስ። Question number 3. What was the immediate cause of First World War? sababa atattamaa ወራና አዱኛ tokkoffaadhaaf kan ta'e kami? አስቸኳይ የአንደኛው የዓለም ጦርነት ምክንያት የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. The rise of Hitler. B. Germany's invasion of Poland. C. The assassination of Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary. D. The bombing of Hiroshima. The competition for colonies, market, and global influence held among three European countries, France, Britain, and Germany, was the fundamental cause of First World War. This imperialist competition created distrust and tension. Choice A is not the answer because religious was not a primary cause of First World War, but it was more political and economic issue. B is incorrect. The reason: technology had advanced, but its failure did not lead to the war. Again, D is not correct answer because peace treaties aim to end the conflict, not causing war. So, imperialist rivalries among European powers becomes the fundamental cause of World War First. C is the correct answer. Triple Alliance was a pre-war military alliance which held between Germany, Italy, and Austria-Hungary. Britain, Russia, and France are not the Triple Alliance. They are the Triple Entity Group members. But C and D are not the correct grouping countries. As a result, the correct answer for question number 2 is A. Germany, Italy, and Austria-Hungary are formed the Triple Alliance. The assassination of Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary in Sarajevo during 1940 was the immediate cause of First World War. The rise of Hitler, choice A, and Germany's invasion of Poland are not the event of First World War, but they are Second World War events. And D, the bombing of Hiroshima is an event from the end of Second World War, not the beginning of First World War. For this reason, C, the assassination of Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary becomes the immediate cause of First World War. C is the correct answer. Question number 4. Nationalism in the Balkan contributed to First World War by qoorni naashinaalizimii ባልካን ወራን አዱኛ tokkoffaadhaaf qabu kami? በአንደኛው የዓለም ጦርነት የባልካን ናሽናሊዝም ድርሻ የቱ ነው? A. Promoting peace talks. B. Encouraging unity with Ottoman Empire. C. Fueling independence movement and ethnic tension. D. Supporting colonialism. Question number 5. Which country was held responsible by Austria-Hungary for the assassination in Sarajevo? kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa biyyi ajjechaa Sarajevo keessatti gahee qabdu kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት በሰራጀቮ ግድያ ድርሻ ያለው አገር የቱ ነው? ኤ ፍራንስ፣ ቢ ጀርመኒ፣ ሲ ሰርቢያ፣ ዲ ብሪቴን። Question number 6. What was the role of propaganda during World War First? ገዬ ፕሮፓጋንዳ ወራን አዱኛ tokkoffaa keessatti kan ta'e kami? በአንደኛው የዓለም ጦርነት ውስጥ የፕሮፓጋንዳ ድርሻ የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. It was banned. B. It informed only the elite class. C. It stirred up national feelings and hatred towards enemy countries. D. It ended the war early. The nationalist member countries like Serbia and other Balkan states needs an independence from Austria-Hungary. Nationalist groups in Serbia and other Balkan states wanted independence from Austria-Hungary, which is creating a conflict. A says promoting peace talks. This is not about peace. Nationalism led to the conflict. B. Encouraging unity with Ottoman Empire says. Many groups wanted freedom from the Ottoman and Austria-Hungary rule. So B is not the correct answer. Again, D is incorrect because the issue was European dynamic, not a colonial issue. As a result, C, fueling independence movement and ethnic tension becomes Balkans contributed to First World War. C is the correct answer. Austria-Hungary accused Serbia for harboring assassination. This causes the First World War. A, B, and choice D were not directly linked to the assassination plots. So, Serbia is a country held responsible by Austria-Hungary for the assassination in Sarajevo. C is the correct answer. Governments used propaganda to increase patriotism, support the war, and demonize the enemy. So, choice C, which say it stirred up national feelings and hatred towards enemy countries, is the correct answer about the propaganda of First World War. Choice A, B, and D are not the correct answer because A becomes false. Why? Because propaganda was widely used. Propaganda was spread to the general public. Again, D is incorrect. The reason: propaganda prolonged the war by rolling support. So, C is the correct answer for question number 6. Question number 7. The League of Nations failed partly because League of Nations sababni inni kufeef League of Nations የወደቀበት ምክንያት A. It had nuclear weapons. B. It was dominated by the USA. C. It lacked military power to enforce decision. D. It included too many African countries. Question number 8. Which of the following was a new weapon used in First World War? meeshaa waraanaa jalqabaa addunyaa tokkoffaa keessatti fayyadame kami? በአንደኛው የዓለም ጦርነት ውስጥ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ጥቅም ላይ የዋለው የጦርነት መሳሪያ የቱ ነው? A. ታንክስ B. ስፒርስ C. ክሮስቦውስ D. catapults. Question number 9. The Treaty of Versailles blamed which country for First World War? waraana addunyaa tokkoffaadhaaf ቨርሳይለስ ትሪቲቲ ብይ ጨጳሜ ከሚ? በአንደኛው የዓለም ጦርነት በቨርሳይለስ ትሪቲ ላይ የተወቀሰው ሀገር የቱ ነው? ኤ. ብሪቴን ቢ. አውስትሪያ ሃንጋሪ ሲ. ጀርመኒ ዲ. ራሽያ Question number 10. What major empire collapsed as a result of First World War? ኢምፓየርሪ ጉዳዩን ሰበባ አዱኛ ወራነ tokkoffaadhaaf ኩፍቴ ከሚ? በአንደኛው የዓለም ጦርነት ምክንያት የወደቀችው ኢምፓየር የቷ ነች? ኤ. ሮማን ኢምፓየር ቢ. ሙጋል ኢምፓየር ሲ. ኦቶማን ኢምፓየር ዲ. ቢዛንታይን ኢምፓየር League of Nations had no military power to enforce decision, so it couldn't enforce resolutions, making it weak. But A, B, and D are not the correct answer because A is false. Nuclear weapons did not exist in First World War. B is again false. The reason: USA never even joined the League, and African countries were largely under the colonial rule and not the member. So D is also not the correct answer. For this reason, League of Nations failed partly because it lacked military power to enforce decision. C is the correct answer. Tanks were the first introduced weapon during the First World War. Spears, crossbows, and catapults are the outdated weapon. So the correct answer is A for question number 8. Germany was blamed for the First World War because the treaty placed full blame on Germany and imposed heavy reparations. But A, B, and D were not blamed in the same way and were either victors or dissolved powers. As a result, Germany was the blamed country for the First World War to the Treaty of Versailles. So C is the correct answer. Ottoman Empire collapsed as a result of First World War after siding with the Central Powers and losing. So C, the Ottoman Empire was major empire which is collapsed as a result of First World War. Part 2, Second World War. Question number 11. What triggered World War II in 1939? bara 1939tti waraana addunyaa lammaffaadhaan daran akka cimu kan taasise kami? በ1939 ሁለተኛውን የዓለም ጦርነት እንዲጋጋል ያደረገው የቱ ነው? A. Japan's invention of Manchuria B. German invention of Poland C. Italy's invention of Ethiopia D. France's occupation of Belgium Question number 12. What was Blitzkrieg? Blitzkriegን ማልን? Blitzkrieg ምንድን ነው? A. A peace movement B. Germany's strategy of rapid military attack C. British propaganda D. Soviet spy missile Question number 13. What role did Mussolini play in Second World War? ገን ሙሶሎኒን ወራና አዱኛ ለማፋ keessatti taphate ማል? በሁለተኛው የዓለም ጦርነት የሙሶሎኒ ድርሻ ምንድን ነው? A. He supported Britain B. He led the USSR C. He led fascist Italy into the war on Germany's side D. He was an American general. Germany's invasion of Poland on September 1, 1939 directly led Britain and France to declare war on Germany. Fulbaana tokko 1939 weerara Jarmaniin Poolaand irratti gaggeessiteen Biriiteenii fi Firaans waraana Jarmanii irratti akka labsaniidhaaf sababa ta'eera. መስከረም 1 1939 ጀርመኒ በፖላንድ ላይ ባደረገችው ወረራ ዳይሬክትሊ ብሪቴንና ፍራንስ በጀርመኒ ላይ ጦርነትን እንዲያውጁ ምክንያት ሆኗል። A is incorrect because Japan's invasion of Manchuria was happened in 1931 and was a precursor to war in Asia, not in Europe. C is incorrect because Italy's invasion of Ethiopia occurred in 1935 and did not spark global conflicts. D is false. The reason, France did not occupy Belgium. So, Germany's invasion of Poland triggered the Second World War. Blitzkrieg is Germany's strategy of rapid military attack. It means lightning war. A Germany's tactic of swift, coordinated attack using tanks, planes, and infantry. Peace movement is opposite to the meaning. British propaganda is not about Germany. Blitzkrieg is a Germany's military tactic, not British propaganda. Again, D is irrelevant to the issue. So, again, B is the correct answer. The role of Mussolini in Second World War led fascist Italy into the war on Germany's side. A is incorrect because Mussolini opposed Britain. B is incorrect again. Stalin led the USSR. D is completely incorrect. For this reason, C is the role of Mussolini in Second World War. Question number 14. What was Holocaust? Holocaust ምንድን ነው? Holocaustin ማለት A mass destruction of cities in Japan. B. The German bombing of Britain. C. The mass murder of Jews and other minorities by Nazi Germany. D. British rule in Africa. Question number 15. Which two cities were bombed by the US with atomic bomb? Biyyoonni lamaan atomic bombii UStiin reebaman kan? በዩኤስ አቶሚክ ቦምብ የተደበደቡ ሁለት ሀገሮች ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የትኞቹ ናቸው? ኤ በርሊን እንደ ሙኒክ፣ ቢ ቶኪዮ እንደ ኦሳካ፣ ሲ ሂሮሺማ እንደ ናጋሳኪ፣ ዲ ሲውል and Shanghai. Question number 16. Who led the Nazi party in Germany? ፓርቲ ናዚ ጀርመን keessatti kan gaggeesse kami? በጀርመን ናዚ ፓርቲን የመራው ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የቱ ነው? ኤ ሙሶሎኒ፣ ቢ ሩዝቬልት፣ ሲ ስታሊን፣ ዲ ሂትለር። 6 ሚሊዮን ጀውሾችና ሌሎች ሚሊዮኖች በናዚ ጀርመኒ የተደመሰሱ ሲስተም ሆሎካስት ይባላል። ዱማቲን ሚሊዮነ ጃሃ ወረ ጀውሺ ፊ ከን ብሮ ናዚ ጀርመኒtiin ta'e ሆሎካስት jedhama. A and the choice B refer to bombings, not genocide. But Holocaust is genocide. D is unrelated to the Holocaust. For this reason, C is the correct one. US dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima in August 6, 1945 and later on, after 3 months, Nagasaki becomes bombed, leading to Japan's surrender. A and B are incorrect sites, while D is geographically wrong because those cities are in Korea and China, not in Japan. As a result, Hiroshima and Nagasaki are the two cities which were bombed by the US with atomic bombs. C is the correct answer. Adolf Hitler was the ruler of Nazis in Germany, but Mussolini was Italy's fascist leader, while Roosevelt was the US president, and also Stalin led the Soviet Union. As a result, D is the correct answer for question number 16. Question number 17. What was V-Day? V-Day ማለት V-Day ምን ነበር? A. The day France surrendered. B. The day Mussolini died. C. Victory in Europe Day. End of Second World War in Europe. D. Victory in Ethiopia. Question number 18. What strategy helped the Allies win in North Africa? A. Use of chemical weapons. B. British and Allied leadings in Algeria and Morocco. C. Surrendering. D. Naval blockades only. Question number 19. What was Operation Overlord? A. Hitler's plan to invade the USSR. B. Allied invasion of Normandy, France. C. The US withdrawal from Europe. D. Bombing of Japan. Question number 20. What was one of the worst consequences of Second World War? Bu'aa hammaata waraana addunyaa lammaffaa kan ta'e kami? የሁለተኛው የዓለም ጦርነት አስከፊ ውጤት የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Peace everywhere. B. Minimal civilian deaths. C. Destruction of cities and over 50 million deaths. D. Strengthening of Germany with full reasoning as well. V-Day means a victory in Europe day, end of Second World War in Europe, during May 8, 1945. It was marked as Germany's unconditional surrender and the end of war in Europe. A and B are unrelated to the event. D is not recognizing term in Second World War. So C is the correct meaning for V-Day. British and Allied landing in Algeria and Morocco was the strategy helped the Allies to win in North Africa. So B is the correct answer for question number 18. Operation Overlord was the code name for the D-Day invasion on June 6, 1944. The largest ambitious assault in history. So B is the correct answer for question number 19. A, C, and D are not the correct answer. The reason: A refers to Operation of Barbarossa, while C and D are incorrect. Destruction of cities and over 50 million deaths was one of the worst consequences of Second World War. Second World War was the deadliest conflict in human history with massive casualties, destructions, and long-term traumas. A and B are false. D is the opposite. Why? Germany was divided and weakened. As a result, C is the correct answer for question number 20.
chaanalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu